Sometimes others might tell you that in your Facebook profile, they can't see the Add Friend option. For example, in my profile, the Add Friend option isn't there, only the message option is showing. So if you're facing this problem, you can fix it. In this video, we'll show you how to bring back the Add Friend option on your Facebook profile. To do this, first open the Facebook app. Once it's open, at the top you'll see 3 lines, tap on those 3 lines. Then either click the Settings button or scroll down a bit and tap on Settings Privacy. After that, click on Settings. Now you'll reach a page like this. Scroll down. When you scroll under Audience and Visibility, you'll see how people find and contact you. Tap on that option. Then tap on Who can send you friend requests. It's probably set to friends of friends, that's why the Add Friend option isn't showing. If you want the Add Friend option to appear, just select everyone and tap the Save button. After that, go back and open your profile. Now, if you want to check how others see your profile, tap the 3 dots. When the menu opens, tap View As. Once you do that, you'll see exactly how others view your profile. Now here you can see the Add Friend option. So that's how you can easily bring back the Add Friend button on your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.